it's mom again of Ganda and Mom. Galing ako sa aking my beloved. So now it's really white. May snow na talaga dito. I'll show you. I just want to say thank you for all the support, especially ang aking mga CC sisters, YouTube sisters, Anita Flora and Love Braceros. Thank you so much always. And of course Leonela Herames. Ayan. So pag ganito pong winter, hinay-hinay sa pag-drive. I don't drive that fast. Although I already have my winter tires on, I still don't trust. So may mga nakasunod po sa akin. So hopefully they are patient enough. But I don't mind na i-cut nila ako. They could go ahead, I don't care. Safety first. So I'll show you mamaya pag ang mga tao. Ahead. Go. Pag nalampasan ako nitong dalawa, then pwede akong mag-change ng camera. Meron pa pong isa sa likod na nagmamadali. I'm not in a rush. That's why I decided to drive. Actually, I'm planning to drive by 5. But sabi niyang aking beloved, my wonderful man, mag-drive ako ng mas maaga just in case, kasi it's hard to drive dito sa countryside when it's dark. But sa city okay yung roads, they always plow. if I drive on the city, I don't think I would be needing the winter tire, but because I drive often here sa country, I'd rather have the winter tire on. Dito yung last time na it's hard to stop kapag mabilis ka kasi hindi dito naplaplaw. Usually, ito yung stop sign na I have to be very careful. So as you see, may mga patsa-patsa siya. Some parts are not as snowy. Some are really snowy. Snowy. I don't know if that's the right word. So at least nakikita pa yung line, the yellow line. Sometimes covered lahat yan ng snow. Pero nasi-sensor pa rin ng sasakyan. Huwag masyado. I'd rather be in the middle kasi wala namang kaanuhan. Na dito. Kasalubong. Pero kung may kasalubong, syempre hindi pwedeng masyadong middle. Many people doesn't drive during winter, but I have no choice naman. I've been driving since 2012. I bought my car, my first car here in Canada was 2012, so I've been driving for ano na ba, 13 years. This is my 13th winter in Canada then, I think, if my calculation is right. I'm hoping that the weather won't be that bad.
In 800 meters, turn right onto Ontario 4 South.
Tignan natin pag real winter na. So, lininisan kanina. Share
Turn
ko
right
lang.
onto Ontario 4 South.
Share ko lang na kaninang umaga before we went out for breakfast. Nilinisan na ng aking mabait na afam itong sasakyan, kaya
Continue on Ontario 4 South
hindi
for
na
2
ako
kilometers.
naglinis. So maaraw pa naman, may araw pa, may araw pa. So hindi ko susundin ang GPS, I'm going straight kasi ito yung dadaanan ko na mas safe, na siguradong nakaplow.
Turn left onto Wayland Line.
Yeah, usually I turn left, but not today. I'm just going straight. Kasi diretso ako ng groceries. Kaya ako ng fish. So now I'm in Highway 4. Ito, diretso na to sa diretso na to sa London. Ayan, so malinis ang road. Still have 36 minutes to drive.